what's going on. People getting the cardio in, getting the heart going, staying fit and healthy, walking the dogs. On the nature walk with the big girl Nala and Scar and Kion. Squad goals, true. Beautiful ocean out there, nature. 20 minutes. Only walk the pups for about 20 minutes and then we'll go back to the car, give them some food at home. Then we'll do our errands for the day. Got a massage. And then we'll walk Nala after. Then we'll get a haircut. But before that, we'll make sure to do a swim. 2 or 3 minutes. It's springtime, so it's not that cold, but enough to get the endorphins going. Look at these houses. In Australia, Jan Juck, Victoria. It's been a while since I've done the YouTube videos, but I'm gonna just try to post them out and see what happens, see if you like them. Just gonna film random stuff and we'll go from there. Whoever's interested can watch, whoever's not, doesn't matter. But I'm gonna try to be consistent and keep it going. It's pretty hectic with 3 XL boys in the car. I need some water ASAP, so go for a quick swim, then we'll get it done. We are at the beach. Looks nice and cold. So it's about 17 degrees here, where I am. Only going to stay in the water for like 2 minutes. Get the brain going. Reset. I feel I always like to reset with a cold swim. Here's the sun, beautiful. No waves whatsoever. That was good. Get the brain cells going. Some other dude went in with me. So today we're not training, it's just a rest day. So just showing you what I'm doing in my life and what I do each day. The sun's coming out again, beautiful. Back to the car. Hey buddies. Hello boys. So after that, I feel good. Such a good way to restart the day. Kiss, kiss, kiss. So if you're in a shit mood or you're feeling anxious, just go for a cold swim or have a cold shower for like 2 or 3 minutes. And I wasn't having a bad day before this, but just putting it out there, it can be very beneficial for those who haven't tried it and want to experiment. I feel calm, relaxed, in a good mood, and one of the dogs farted. Nice. Which one was it? Who did it? Did you do it? Was that you, buddy? Or was it Nala? Okay. Alright. This guy always wants to sit shotgun. What are you doing, buddy? Come on, Dad, hurry up. Back to the farm. So, this is what I see on the way home. Lots of land, trees, nature. Sometimes too much roadkill. That's the shit part of it. They're snoozing hard. Got the car flex on, bruh. There's the paddocks. We arrive at the farm. Not bad sceneries. Pretty peaceful here. I grew up here as a kid. We've had this place for like 17 years. He needs a drink ASAP. And we do have a pet bull, Zorro. He still has his balls. His mother abandoned him when he was really young, so we took him on. Where is he? horses. Meet the baby goats. Yo. Hey, buddy. Hello, boy. Hello. Hello. Huey and Louie. Oh, yes. Hey, friends. Hello, friends. Hello. Oh, and he's over there. Hey. What are you doing? What are you doing? Hello. 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 And one just escaped. Don't know how that happened, but yeah, that just happened. So we're gonna have to fix this somehow. Okay, that's easy. Kion. I have to tell my sister. This is my little baby, 110, and the YZ 450. We'll get some videos going soon. This is Zoro's paddock, the big boy. What are you doing there, boy? What are you doing? Just gotta show you. These big kahunas. He's a bull. A friendly bull though. You're a good boy. You're a good boy, huh? You're a good boy. You're a pretty boy. He's a good boy. He's a big boy, huh? He's a good boy. Getting big. Getting monstrous. And Scar came in. What's he doing in there? Huh? Scar, get it! Get it! Get it! Scar, get it! Scar!